You are now in week 11. Your baby is growing so fast and exciting changes is now happening in your body. Let us dive into the changes that is happening in your body in week 11. Welcome to week 11 of your pregnancy journey. Your baby is now about the size of a fig, measuring about 1 to 6 inches long and weighing around 0.25 inches. The tiny fingers and toes are separating, and your little one even has fingernails starting to form. The head is still large in proportion to the body, but the body is lightening and straightening. Your baby's facial features are becoming more defined. The ears have moved into place, and the nasal passages are developing. One exciting change is that your baby is now officially called a fetus, making a new stage of development. Their diaphragm is forming, allowing for tiny practice hiccups. The heartbeat is strong and steady, pumping blood throughout that little body. You may even hear it during your prenatal visit using a Doppler. Now let's talk about you pretty preggy. You might be noticing less nausea, or at least a slight decrease. Some moms begin to feel more energetic around now. Your uterus is expanding and is about the size of grapefruit. Your pants may feel snug around the waist, even if you're not showing much yet. Mood swings may still come and go due to hormone fluctuations. You might also experience headaches or leg cramps. Make sure you stay hydrated and try light stretches. Remember to take your prenatal vitamins daily, attend scheduled appointments and well-balanced meals. Please, if you miss week 1 to 10, be sure to watch those videos on this channel to follow the journey step by step. And that is all for week 11. Your baby is developing fast and you're doing amazing. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that it will get to other moms. And before I forget, my name is Daisy Peter. I'm a content creator based in Port Harcourt. I'm a mother of 3. All my teachings here are based on experience and research. Don't forget to visit your doctor or your hospital if need be. Bye and see you tomorrow in my week 12.